Today I'm bringing you guys with me to ship some shirts. I have about 6 orders that I have to ship out, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to kind of explain the entire shipping process to you guys and hopefully help you guys understand how it all works. If you own a clothing brand or you're looking to start one, hopefully these videos help you out, and I think that a lot of you find them very helpful. So I'm definitely going to keep making these videos, and I hope you guys enjoy it. The entire process is pretty simple. I actually print labels directly through Shopify. It goes back to that Shopify video I made where a lot of you guys were saying it's kind of expensive, but it's also super convenient, and that's exactly why I pay that premium price, because they allow me to go straight to my orders online. Shopify also has a mobile app, so I'm always on top of everything. I know exactly who ordered what size and everything like that, what style, and I can get all my orders packed and ready to go. I can go on my computer and actually go to the order and print the label out and pay for it on the actual Shopify dashboard. So everything is really inclusive, and all I have to do is drop the orders off at the post office and they're ready to go. So I'm gonna go ship these orders, and then I want to talk a little bit more about the Shopify dashboard and the next steps that I want to take for the clothing brand. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just got to the post office and I'm gonna go grab the orders and just drop them off, and that's all I have to do because I already paid for them online using the Shopify dashboard. So again, everything is through the Shopify dashboard. I know you guys can't really see me. Now you guys can see me better. So again, all I had to do is go to the order on Shopify and click print label, and I pay for it directly on Shopify. Everything's good to go. So again, now I'm just dropping them off. I just got back from the post office. Everything is shipped out. I'm really happy about that. So now I wanted to show you guys exactly what I use to ship my shirts, so you guys know exactly what material and what equipment I need to do that. So let me show you right here. By the way, I'm in my niece's bedroom because I don't have a studio. I'm currently setting up a new studio, so don't judge me. But these are the poly mailers that I'm using, the bubble mailers. And they're really cheap. You can find these on Amazon. Do have bubbles inside, so they protect the shirt really nicely. I do plan on getting another plastic wrap to go inside of this too, so I can wrap the shirts individually before I put them in here. But this is working really good right now. I got some tape to tape the labels on. Then I have a scale right here, which is super important because this allows me to actually weigh the packages in ounces. And this was also found on Amazon, really cheap. I think it was like 25 bucks or something like that. But I love this thing. It's battery powered. If you don't have the scale, it's going to be really hard to calculate your shipping costs. So definitely buy one of these before you do anything, because you will spend a lot of money on shipping and you will probably lose money if you're not doing it correctly. So definitely make sure you have one of these. Another thing that I forgot to mention is I got a folding board, and this is just going to make your life easier when you go to fold your shirts to package them. It's going to make them look very, very nice. And this is also super cheap. I think this was like 10 bucks. I will link this in the description below as well. If you could fold perfectly by hand, by all means, you don't need one of these, but for me, I'm not the best at folding, so this definitely helps me out. But that's basically all I do, guys. I go to the Shopify order, which I'll show right here, and then I click on the order, and then I go to print label, print shipping label, and then it asks me for the package weight. I use my scale to weigh the package. So whatever the shipping weight is, usually it's around 5 to 7 ounces, in between there somewhere. You put that in, it's gonna calculate the shipping costs. You pay for it, print that order's label out, you slap it on the package by taping it on there or buying a label printer, which I don't have yet, and then you are good to go. You just have to drop it off at the post office, and that's it, guys. But guys, that is basically it for the video. I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, so you guys have a better understanding of how things work. If you guys are on a budget like I am, don't worry about getting everything at once. Like, don't buy a label printer that costs like 500 bucks. It's not gonna help you right now. If you guys have the extra cash laying around, definitely do it, but it's not a necessity is what I wanted to say. So focus on just starting simple. Like I said, I'm gonna link all this stuff in the description below. Just make sure you guys are calculating your shipping costs. I can't stress that enough. It's gonna hurt you if you don't do that, because you're gonna end up charging people less than what you're spending. You're gonna spend more on shipping, and you're gonna lose money in the long run. So pay attention to that. That's my biggest advice for you guys. But that's it for this little update video / vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Keep creating, keep being awesome. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.